Good morning, everybody. The time is 10:54 a.m. West Coast. We're running this one for Phil Serpa. It's a Andrew Toles custom. We're live. Gonna roll some dice. Dice roll has to be more than a 5. All right, going 9 times. List is in. 12 spots and 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was the 8th time. That roll was a 9. Next click is your winner. Good luck, guys. 9. Jesus Ramirez Jr., you are the winner. That was the 9th time. Please contact Phil with your info and he'll get that to you as soon as possible. Time is now 10:55 a.m. West Coast, and we're done. Thank you.